Welcome to our episode on getting started, setting up your crypto portfolio. Today, we'll walk you through the essential steps to enter the world of cryptocurrencies and set up your own portfolio. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Creating a crypto wallet. A crypto wallet is where you securely store your cryptocurrencies. You have different options, such as software wallets, hardware wallets, or online wallets. Let's focus on software wallets for now. To create a software wallet, you'll need to choose a reputable wallet provider. Visit their website or download their app, and follow the registration process. Make sure to set a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for added security. Step 2. Choosing the right exchange platform. An exchange platform is where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. When selecting an exchange, consider factors like security, user interface, available cryptocurrencies, fees, and customer support. Research different exchanges and read reviews to find the one that suits your needs. Popular exchange platforms include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken, but there are many others to explore. Step 3. Securely storing and managing your crypto assets. Security is paramount when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Enable all available security measures on your wallet and exchange accounts, such as two-factor authentication and withdrawal whitelisting. Additionally, consider offline storage options like hardware wallets, which offer an extra layer of protection. Remember to keep backups of your wallet's recovery phrase or seed, as it's your only way to regain access if you lose your device. Step 4. Exploring popular cryptocurrencies and their potential. Now that your wallet and exchange accounts are set up, it's time to research and explore different cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin are among the most well-known, but the market offers a vast array of options. Dive into each cryptocurrency's technology, team, adoption rate, and potential for growth. This research will help you make informed decisions about which cryptocurrencies to include in your portfolio. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps to set up your crypto portfolio. We've covered creating a crypto wallet, choosing the right exchange platform, securely storing and managing your assets, and exploring popular cryptocurrencies. Remember, always do thorough research, stay updated with market trends, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Join us for future episodes where we'll delve into advanced portfolio management strategies and discuss the ever-evolving crypto landscape. Happy investing, and may your crypto journey be prosperous!